We are at mcTER EXPO in Veronafiere with Joseph from Menxons Group Italia. The company is actually based in Italy, in Novare, and they make a very interesting technology. So can you explain something about it, please?
It's called a hydrogen HTGU, and it's a hydrogen turbo generator unit. The hydrogen turbo generator unit produces hydrogen containing gas through the unit, which uses 90% of water and 10% of any hydrocarbon. And then the water is not distilled water. It could be any water. It could be seawater. It could be river water.
Okay,
Chili type.
you can just consume any kind of water.
Any kind of
Okay, so
water.
do you
And
know?
also consumed any kind of hydrocarbon.
Okay, even waste.
Even waste. And the process goes through the units or the chamber or the reactor that with our special sauce able to separate the oxygen from the hydrogen and still keep it as a cocktail to burn. And you can see over here the burning chamber over here. There's an output of thermal heat that comes out from 1,005 all the way to over 2,000.
So you have a technology that can distillate hydrogen, burn it, and then give us a thermal power up to how many degrees,
Over 2,000 degrees.
which is really a lot. So, and at the end of the process, how much waste do you have?
At the end of the process, we do not have any waste because what happens is the water with the carbon, the carbon is captured back in the system. It's a recycling system. It goes through everything and comes back again into the system, and it's being reused and to produce the same thermal heat.
So given the degrees, it can output. What kind of user do you have for this?
Okay, so we focus in mainly on electricity or industrial use for industries that uses energy, a lot of energy, thermal energy. For example, the cement factories or the iron factories, the bauxites or aluminum factories. They use a lot of thermal, and it costs a lot of money. So with our technology, the cost of fuel is so much reduced, and also the fuel is very clean because obviously it's 90% water and only 10% any hydrocarbon, which is still captured. So there's no emission of carbon dioxide coming out. So very clean and very cheap in energy, and it can also be used for electricity. This, as you see here, is a mini steam power plant or mini steam power generator that you can see the technology over here producing the heat coming out with the same process in boiler goes through, steam comes out, which is what you see here, and this steam is high temperature with high pressure that can be used to turn turbines for electricity.
If you have temperature and pressure, you have power.
You have power.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Yoga.
Those are
Non better those. Menxons Group Italia, come dicevamo prima, ha sede a Novara. Qui siamo in compagnia di James, che si occupa della parte commerciale insieme a due colleghi. E voi che piani avete per il futuro? Perché vi occupate di tutta l'Europa?
Sì, il nostro obiettivo è fare più fiere per far conoscere la macchina,
Questa tecnologia.
questa tecnologia che è molto importante, e noi quello che vogliamo dire è basta contattarci sul nostro sito e da lì avrà tutte le informazioni che serve.
Grazie, James.